In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Twitch stream link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a clean, reliable link to any streamer's channel so you can send it to friends, drop it in chat, or post it on social media without confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Twitch website. You can type the address directly into the address bar and press enter. Using a browser is the simplest way to get a shareable link because the address you see at the top is the exact URL others will use to reach the same page. You don't need to be logged in to do this, and it works on both desktop and mobile browsers. Once the homepage loads, look for the search bar near the top. Click or tap into it and type the streamer's name. Take a moment to spell it correctly. Many creators use similar names, and a small typo can bring up the wrong channel. As results appear, scan for the correct profile by checking the username and, if visible, the profile image. Select the channel that matches the streamer you have in mind. When you open their channel, you'll land on the creator's main page. This is where you'll see the video player area, their banner, and panels like About and Schedule. If they're currently live, the stream will appear at the top. If not, you might see past broadcasts or highlights. Either way, the channel page is exactly what most people expect when you share a Twitch link, and it's the most dependable destination for viewers. Now it's time to grab the link. Move your cursor to the browser's address bar. Click once to highlight the full URL, which typically looks like twitch.tv/the streamer's username. Make sure it doesn't include extra paths or parameters you don't need. With the URL highlighted, copy it using your preferred method. On a keyboard, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. You can also right-click and select Copy. On a phone or tablet, tap the address bar to highlight the link, then use the Copy option that appears. You now have the direct channel link ready to share. Paste it into a message, chat, email, or post and add any context you want, like what they're streaming or why you recommend it. If you'd like to double-check it, you can paste the link into a new tab to preview how it opens. That's all there is to it. Quick, clear, and reliable every time.